Hello guys, so I have Tomica Premium Ferrari F40 today in my hand, and I wanted to do something different this time. Going to shoot a very detailed video. Let me know what you guys think. Let's start. This is the box. 31 Tomica Premium Ferrari logo. Side. This is the back. We have Ferrari licensing over here. This is the scale 162. We also have the opening part in this. Let's open this. Let's see what we get. Keep this aside. It's wrapped in plastic, which is very good. Keep my car safe. And beautiful red color. Love Ferraris in red. Who can say no to red Ferrari? Let's see. There's front details, acrylic headlamps, cool bumper. We have tiny details in the front grille as well. You can see on the sides. Beautiful wheels, rolls freely. Front one as well. We have the Ferrari logo, air intakes. We have stripes embossed on the side as well, which is a good touch. This is how the back looks. We have Ferrari written over here in very small, which is highly appreciated. Look at the back grille, really good details. The headlamp look great. We have the exhaust over here and some diffuser treatment as well. Let's see on this side, Ferrari logo, air intakes. We have Ferrari F40 embossed in here, which is really cool. We don't have this on this side, but we have this over here, which is great. Look at the dashboard. We have some steering details. It's not very much detail, but we have some tiny details. You can see the seats. They have red color. The engine cover has some embossing done, which looks really good. Let's open this. Crazy engine details. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Look at the exhaust pipes coming out of the engine over here, which merges to the exhaust here. Just amazing. Great job. Wow. See if we have suspensions. Yes, we do. In the front as well. Let's see how it rolls. Pretty smooth. Really smooth. Overall, great casting. Really love this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you.